Yes, right, check it out.
And judging starts in just a few minutes. First contestant who's judging steps first? Yes.
Once you got it, dog. No trick or nothing. And the walk in for 7 minutes. Try see if you get 1 or 2 of them. ¿Es competition que vamos?
Sí.
¿Ellos venden o lo hacen present? Okay. then we would have to switch like. Are you gonna take two? Just take two and then bring the burger after.
Hello. Yeah.
I you know if we could flex up the fish, because of it, we don't have to give him a whole piece.
And then we did the other piece of the beef chuck roll. We made into little steaks, wrapped them in the pork caul. We have stuffed mushrooms, fried okra, and then we have a mushroom butter sauce. And then I have a whiskey barbecue sauce if anybody wants. You can use that wherever you want. And then, what's the last one is a porterhouse, which is just standard grilled porterhouse. And then we have a root veg salad, grilled. I mean, we have a root. We have a root. I'm sorry. Go ahead. What?
Question about the porterhouse. What temperature are you expecting there?
I got that one to 120. I wanted it to be a little bit rare. I had a little trouble with my grill, but hopefully it comes out good. I think meat should be a little bit rare. I'd like it to be tender. I don't like to overcook, but sometimes they get a little weird. So then we did a kind of a take on elotes. We grilled the corn. There's a little chipotle sauce for dipping. There's butterfly pea flowers, which are excellent to eat. And then there's some microgreens from Chalk Creek's Microgreen Nursery. And then we have chocho ube, which is a purple sweet potato, and carrots that are grilled on the grill in a foil packet.
What are the steps without a burger?
Well, this is not an assigned dish. This was somebody made a smart comment.
This is the brata.
Somebody made a smart comment that I can only do burgers. But of course, I could do more than burgers. Look at me. But so this is also made from the same chuck roll. I minced it according to Mr. Iskander's specifications. Minced it, added some bacon fat. It also has some bubbly running W sliced bacon, some cheddar, and it's with a baked potato that has some chopped jalapenos that are wrapped in pork caul as
So
well.
you took the same chuck roll and you ground that right here?
No, I did that at home. That was pretty bad. Yeah.
I must make one comment, right? I say things like sweet potato with sugar. I say fried okra. I hear about whiskey sauce. Tell me about that inspiration and your background.
Well, I'm from the States, but I've lived in Belize longer than I lived in the States. But I'm from kind of a southern Arizona, so we do a lot of cheap food, poor people food. So we know how to use the stuff that nobody else wants. And fried okra is a staple in my house. Sweet potatoes are a staple. We eat as many sweet potatoes as we did regular potatoes. They're easy to prepare, they're fairly cheap, and they're really good for you.
Well, go ahead now, judges.
Yes, please. Yes, judges, go
You
ahead.
make the poor people the food sexy, man.
But that's what poor people sexy means.
Right.
All right, now as the judges are doing their tasting, I want to ask Mr. Castillo, what are your initial thoughts on the presentation of these dishes?
Good. Looking at it now, perfect. To me, you did a wonderful job, Mr. with the presentation. But now I gotta dig in, so
Dig in, right? Off of the bar.
All right, and now, like I mentioned, while the tasting is